When we think of cutting-edge 3D animation, names like Pixar or Industrial Light and Magic often come to mind. But what about Yahoo Research? For many, it's an unexpected contender in the realm of digital artistry and technical innovation. Yahoo, primarily known for its web services, had a robust research division that quietly delved into various technological frontiers. The question is, how did this giant of the dot-com era contribute to the intricate world of 3D animation? Yahoo Research didn't aim to produce animated blockbusters. Instead, their focus was often on foundational advancements. Think algorithms for more realistic rendering, efficient data processing for complex scenes, and novel interaction methods. One notable area of exploration involved motion capture and character animation. They investigated techniques to streamline the animation pipeline, making character movement more natural and less labor-intensive for animators. Their research often touched upon machine learning's role in animation. Imagine systems that could learn character styles or predict natural movements, significantly reducing production time and increasing fidelity. This was a realm Yahoo Research explored. While not always commercially publicized, their contributions appear in numerous academic papers. Publications on real-time rendering, global illumination, and procedural texture generation illustrate a deep engagement with core graphics challenges. The ability to render complex scenes quickly and realistically is crucial, especially for interactive experiences like virtual reality or gaming. Yahoo Research pushed boundaries in making these computationally intensive tasks more efficient. Their work wasn't just theoretical, it often had practical implications for immersive technologies. Imagine more fluid interactions, more believable virtual worlds, all underpinned by robust rendering and animation techniques. The strength of Yahoo Research lay in its interdisciplinary approach. Engineers, computer scientists, and even cognitive psychologists collaborated to tackle the multifaceted problems of creating compelling digital experiences. Beyond traditional entertainment, Yahoo Research's influence extended to scientific visualization, interactive media, and even advertising. Their advancements enabled richer, more engaging digital content across the web. While perhaps not revolutionizing Hollywood's animation studios directly, their academic output often served as a foundation. Other researchers and even commercial entities built upon the techniques pioneered by Yahoo Research scientists. So, how good was Yahoo Research at 3D animation? They excelled not in creating blockbuster films, but in advancing the underlying science. They were vital contributors to the fundamental techniques that power much of today's digital animation. Their legacy lives on not in character names or movie titles, but in the efficiency, realism, and interactivity of the 3D worlds we experience every day. A quiet giant indeed. In addition to their 3D animation contributions, Yahoo Research made significant strides in AR technology. Their breakthroughs in real-time environmental mapping and object recognition set new standards for interactivity. It's impressive how these innovations make digital experiences feel seamless. Yahoo's technology truly bridges the gap between the virtual and physical worlds. The gaming industry particularly benefited from Yahoo Research's advancements. By integrating advanced rendering algorithms, game developers pushed the envelope of realism and player immersion. Thanks to Yahoo's algorithms, our game worlds are not only stunning, but also incredibly responsive to player actions. Yahoo's research on interactive media is reshaping how we approach user experience across platforms. It's a game-changer in tech and design. Indeed, these conversations highlight a new era of creativity, deeply inspired and enabled by the work of Yahoo's forward-thinking research teams. These tools have revolutionized the way artists express their creativity. I'm able to bring my visions to life with unprecedented detail and ease. As we look to the future, the tools and techniques pioneered by Yahoo Research are likely to foster even greater innovation across the digital realm. In the end, Yahoo's presence in the world of technology is best measured by the enduring impact of their innovations across industries and art forms. With Yahoo's breakthroughs, we envision a more connected, visually dynamic urban environment. It's more than technology, it's the future. Welcome to the Tech Expo, where the legacy of Yahoo Research meets the present and future innovations. The frameworks developed by Yahoo are like an artist's palette, offering limitless colors to paint our virtual realities. The adaptability of these frameworks showcases how vital Yahoo's contributions continue to be in shaping cutting-edge technical narratives. This workshop allows us to experience Yahoo's impact firsthand. It's exciting to be part of such a transformative era. Imagine empowered learning environments where such innovation is the cornerstone of our educational journey. The impact of Yahoo's research extends beyond the digital, influencing how we approach problem solving across various fields. Yahoo's interdisciplinary approach is a blueprint for future innovation. It proves that collaboration drives the next big breakthroughs. Looking back, Yahoo Research has been a silent pioneer, setting the foundational stones for today's rapid technological progress. Their work, though quiet, stirred a loud echo that can still be heard across the corridors of technology and innovation. As technology evolves, so does our method of interaction. Yahoo's insights continue to guide this evolution, facilitating new experiences. The blend of nature and technology in this park reflects how innovations like those from Yahoo make the world more interconnected. Every step we take forward in augmented reality owes a nod to Yahoo's pioneering spirit. Indeed, their insights laid down the template for both breakthroughs and surprises in this fertile ground of technology. We stand on the shoulders of giants, and Yahoo Research is definitely among them, inspiring us to push the limits. It's fascinating to see how far we've come, and yet the horizon keeps expanding thanks to the visionaries like those at Yahoo. Yahoo Research may have been quiet in its endeavors, but the waves of innovation they sparked continue to ripple across the digital shoreline. It's a testament to the unseen forces that propel industries forward, paving pathways for what once seemed impossible.